Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Carly Stevens and this is English Nerd, and I just got the October Owlcrate in the mail. I can't even remember if this is the same thing that I was wearing in the first video, but I'm too excited. I just have to open this and I have to do it immediately. So let's see what is in the October Owlcrate. I'm just going to be unboxing. That's pretty much what this video is. I should probably be talking about my upcoming book and how it's getting ready for the editor, but I'll talk about that in later videos. And for now, I'll see what's going on with this. Okay. Man, this is the second time that I've forgotten to bring a... Oh, I know. Aha, letter opener. That is more for show. I'm finding out. There we go. Okay. Let's see what's inside. I just love the way they present this whole thing. It just looks so cool. I just love that. Okay, so here, I really like that picture. Here we have Lost in the Bookstore, the guide for what will be in here. So let's find out. Okay. If you've been on the hunt for the perfect tea for fall or winter, perfect tea. Oh, nice. Look no further. This delicious chocolate mint truffle tea from the Tea Spot is so soothing and yummy, perfect for a chilly evening. Chocolate mint truffle. It's really cute packaging. Look at that. I like that a lot. It's getting darker earlier now, by the way, so I apologize for the wonky lighting. I know it seems like it's kind of intense. Huh. Yeah, I like that. Normally I'm not a huge fan of chocolate teas. More of a just straight black tea or herbal tea kind of girl, but I will definitely be giving that a try. Okay, let's see what is next. Here's their super cute exclusive tea strainer. Oh. Ah. To brew up your tea, Team Owlcrate created this silicone heart-shaped, well, strainer just for you with the help of designer Michelle Gray. Okay, I feel like this is more of a, like a Valentine's Day kind of thing, but it is really nice to have a tea strainer because I do have some loose leaf teas and I wasn't quite sure what to do with those. I have a teapot that has like a strainer built into it, but that's if I want to get the whole teapot and clean it out and everything. This makes it really convenient, so that's nice. The love of reading tea strainer. I guess that's the idea of the theme. It's the tea. It's the love of reading, even though it looks like there's an arrow, more like Cupid or something. It's the love of reading. It is not the love of a significant other. Put that there. Okay, so I'm all set. I have everything I need to try that tea. Time to get cozy. Yes, always. That sounds so nice. Welcome. Wear your awesome exclusive book nerd socks and show off your reader pride. Made by our friends at Out of Print and Underlined. Cute. Okay, I'm gonna open these and see what they look like for real. Nice. I like Out of Print. I've only seen a little bit of their stuff. I showed what I had. Like their Great Gatsby little purse thing in the last video, which I'll link below in case you want to check that out. Let's see what this says. It says, okay, so they're Book Nerd socks. I'm just going to open these right up. Okay. Don't be hurt, socks. Oops. Dropping things. Okay, cute. Look, okay, so they say, that's what I was trying to figure out what the bottom said. So they say book. That's really cute. I like those a lot. Put some nerdy pep in your step. That's how I roll. Okay, next thing. Take your canvas clutch purse. What? Canvas clutch purse with you the next time you're on a trip to the bookstore. We created this pouch so it's big enough to fit most small books, so you can protect your read on the go. Exclusively designed by the lovely Bookworm Boutique. What is this? Trying not to get ahead of myself and peek at the other things. Oh, it's a whole... Oh my gosh, I love that. That is so cute. Books are uniquely portable magic. Oh, that is so cute. And it says Owlcrate on the inside. Gosh, okay, that's a win. I like that. That deserves a place. I don't know where it's going to go. I have too many random things that need places, but this needs a place. I like that so much. Gosh, that's fantastic. Okay, what would the mirror of Erised's reflection show if you gazed into it? We have a feeling many of us it would be piles of books and a letter to Hogwarts. Yes. Michelle Gray, which is the person who came up with the tea strainer, unless it's just two Michelle Grays, illustrated this adorable exclusive art print. Okay, so it's just the mirror of Erised with books and stuff in there. That's pretty cute. I mean, I do love some Harry Potter. You can see some of my stuff in the background there, the books, and you can't see all my swag, but I do have swag. Oh, that's cute. Okay. Okay, and then we have some books. So I heard that this is the first Owlcrate that has had not one, but two hardback editions of books. So let's see, what do we have here? Okay, so I actually pretty much knew that this was going to be the book in the box because the description and all the pictures around Bookstagram were highlighting this book, and I was excited because it looks interesting to me. It's a Pride and Prejudice remix, kind of modernized version. So let's see what we have here. Oh, cool. I love the cover. It's all raised up, like if you touch this, you can kind of hear it. It's all raised up. Oh, that is cool. Look at that inside cover. Okay, that's really very cool. I like that a lot. Nice. Okay, well, I'm excited about that. And I think this one is signed. Yes, it is. Man, I really haven't gotten that many signed books in the past. I've always been a collector of older books and just whatever books I wanted, I guess, but I have not had signed books until I started looking at this. Look at that spine by itself. Check that out. Look how pretty that is. That is really nice. Okay, well, I'm very excited to read that. And over there. Ooh, comes with a bookmark. So that's one side. You run this block, this hood, my heart. We'll see if this book is good. I have high hopes for it. And ooh, and it has a letter like the one from Sumaya Dowd. I still am not sure how to pronounce her name, but the one who wrote Mirage. I got another one, so that's nice. Dear reader, welcome to Bushwick. I loved writing this sweet story set in the neighborhood I grew up in. It's filled with love, laughter, hopes, and dreams. In the love of it is all Zuri Benitez, a girl got between the community she loves and the boy who challenges her ideas about him, herself, and the world. This Pride and Prejudice remix has a beat of its own, but the rhythm is familiar. So step into these pages as if they're a big block party and enjoy. From Brooklyn with love, Evie Zoboy. So there's the letter. National Book Award finalist. Wow. All right, sweet. So that is Pride, the Pride and Prejudice remix, and oh gosh, another signed copy. What? So fancy. Check that out. When Destiny Calls, Legends Rise. New York Times bestselling author of The Iron Fae, Julie Kagawa. It's quite a name. It's a little hard to pronounce. Kagawa. Ooh, and then this one also has a cool bookmark. Absolute power can corrupt even the purest of hearts. That's cool. I like that. And a note, which I will look at in just a second, as well. Ooh, one of my all-time favorite fantasy novels. Says some author whose name I don't really recognize. I'm sorry, all these people who... Ooh, look, yes! It is signed Shadow of the Fox. Oh wow, she's written a lot of books. Look at that. So this is not a debut. This is one that is well known, I suppose. Got a map. I always like maps at the beginning. Have different clans. This paper feels kind of interesting. It's like extra thin or something. Anyway, not like that particularly matters, but nice. Man, she looks really young for having written all those books. Good for her. Yeah, okay. So let's see what she has to say. So here's Shadow of the Fox. Dear reader, welcome to the land of Iwagoto. Prepare to be swept away in a tale of adventure, heavily flavored by my favorite myths from Japan. Samurai, shinobi, kitsumi, oni, and more, all, I'm hoping I'm pronouncing those things correctly. If not, you can feel free to correct me nice and respectfully down there. All lurk within these pages. Honor and destiny entwine, and the music of their motion is fire and magic and steel. Cool. The time of the prophecy has come. The dragon will rise. If the scrolls that summon the great kami fall into the wrong hands, the world as we know it will end. Can a young kitsune stand against the forces of evil? Perhaps, but she cannot do it alone. Fox, demon hunter, ronin, samurai, and miko all must work together if they are to save Iwagoto. And then there's something in Japanese. Ganbatte kudasai? I don't know, but anyway, so that's the new letter from her. And that fox mask is really cool too. It's all shiny and raised up as well. And that's not all. There appears to be more, so let's check it out. We have, okay, so exclusive signed edition of Pride and Prejudice, letter from the author, matching bookmark, the Shadow of the Fox, exclusive signed edition, letter from the author, matching bookmark. There appears to be more in here though. We have this cute little pin, see? It says lost in the bookstore on the side. There, I don't know if you can see it very well, but it's there. I like that. It's cute. Okay. Oh, and then there's the little the booklet with the extra information. Interviews with the author. Oh, okay, so the regular Pride book is blue, like the graffiti is blue, and then ours is pink. I like how they do the alternate covers. It's cool. Okay, and then the regular Shadow of the Fox is black with red, and we have red with black. So it's special edition. A little bit about the Bookworm Boutique people who made the cool clutch purse. Nice. Okay. Ooh, okay, and then we get beyond that. Ooh, okay. So the theme of the November box, are you ready? I don't think you're ready. Are you ready for the theme for the November box? It is Rise from the Ashes. So let's see. Every November box will include an exclusive wax seal kit from Team Owlcrate. It's not pictured here, but it is beautiful. So they have wax seal with wax, I assume. All right. Rise from the Ashes. I do like a good Rise from the Ashes phoenix motif. That is always good. All right. Well, that was cool. And I like the bird in the bottom. Oh, that's so cute. Another successful Owlcrate, I must say. So my favorite things, I believe, are going to be this. This is amazing. This is very possibly my favorite item in there. And Pride, the book. I'm looking forward to reading this. I mean, the bookmark, I'm gonna say it was a little cheesy, but I love the idea. I like retellings of good stories if they're done well. If they have a new spin and they treat it like it's fresh. I like the Pride and Prejudice beats, you know. So it's going to be a fun read. All right. Well, thanks for sticking with me through this unboxing and all my ramblings and stuff. Hopefully you liked it, and definitely consider subscribing if you would like to get these yourself. It is like a little mini Christmas present to you. So after my parent-teacher conferences, to come home and have an Owlcrate sitting there is really pretty fun. So anyway, I hope you have a good life, be of good cheer, subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. I don't know what you're doing, and I will see you on Monday.